happens when cutting-edge biotech meets artificial intelligence? In a game-changing move, the BioE3 policy, approved in August 2024, sets out to make India a global biomanufacturing powerhouse. With over 2,000 proposals already pouring in, this initiative is being hailed as a national mission for green growth, bioeconomic expansion and job creation. Let's decode how science, innovation and smart policy are shaping India's biofuture. Highlights and vision of the BioE3 policy. The BioE3 policy stands for Biotechnology for Economy, Environment and Employment. It aims to make India a global leader in biomanufacturing and bio-AI integration. The policy targets 6 thematic sectors including precision biotherapeutics, enzymes, smart proteins and climate resilient agriculture. Over 2,000 project proposals have already poured in under DBT BioRac's first joint call. About 40% of selected projects are led by startups, industries, reflecting strong public-private participation. Features and innovation highlights of this policy include: firstly, the policy promotes circular and sustainable practices, addressing climate change, food security and public health. Secondly, it encourages bio-AI hub, biofoundries and national innovation grid called Moolankur BioEnabler Network. Thirdly, indigenous microalgae were tested abroad, the National Space Station ISS. Fourthly, these algae can be captured CO2, produce nutrients in space and create value-added product on Earth. Fifthly, a second experiment tested cyanobacteria like Spirulina for carbon and nitrogen recycling, crucial for biological life. Support systems in space. Challenges and bottlenecks in this policy include: biomanufacturing in India still requires heavy infrastructure investment and advanced talent. AI integration in biotech is at early stage and demands both technical and ethical oversight. Translating lab innovation into commercial, affordable product remain a hurdle. Long-term success depends on sustainable collaboration between industry, academia and policy makers. Startups face funding gaps and regulatory barriers, especially in high-risk biotech domains. In a way forward and for expansion across sectors, the government is scaling early science mentorship program like Vigyan Jyoti, especially among schoolgirls. With growing interest from class 6th to 10th students, new initiatives are being explored for early innovation exposure. In the space sector, a breakthrough will increase GSLV Mark III's payload by 20% with structural changes. Upcoming National Space Day will spotlight 300 plus space startups through live demos and exhibitions. Meanwhile, nuclear energy assessment in Bihar show India's parallel commitment to clean energy expansion. So, what does BioE3 mean? It's India's bold step towards using biotech to solve real problems, from clean energy to space and health. With students, startups and science merging, the future of innovation is proudly made in India.